Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received California Found for July. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so again, my California Found just arrived and I'm so excited to get this every month. If you do not know, I am a California girl currently living in a Florida world. So this is like kind of bringing a little bit of home delivered to my doorstep. If you've lived in California, if you've ever lived in California, or this is just an amazing way to find new and different things that you would never know existed. And they're all from California, small like artisan, small companies, that kind of thing. So I really love this box, what it represents, who is helping. They also give back as well. So let's go ahead and let you know a little bit about them. If you follow the link down below and you use Crafty Get 20, you will get 20% off your box. That's right, 20% off your order of the monthly subscription box. So a little bit about the company. The month-to-month subscription is $49 a month. Standard US shipping is $7.95. Canadian shipping is $16.95. And international is $23.95. They ship between the 25th and the 30th of every month. They renew monthly, or you can cancel at any given time. And let's go ahead and see. So let's get into the box, you guys. They do have this in a mailer that I do remove, and this is what is inside. And they do give you the cards that go over each item, and then here is the box. Once we get this opened, oh, we have that. So let's go ahead and see what we have this month, you guys. And again, you always find some really cool and unique items. And yes. Okay, so right on top is this box right here. So let's go ahead and see what this is. Then we can see which card is associated with them. Now, welcome to California Found July 2019 collection. We're excited to bring this month's collection of unique and lovely California artisan-made products. And one box contains our golden ticket, which entitles a recipient to receive one free box to keep for themselves or to give to a lucky bestie. So look carefully and good luck, sunshine. Each month we set aside 10% of our profits to help organizations doing incredible work in our community. This month, as in last, we're supporting California's own Surf Rider Foundation in their work to protect and preserve our oceans, beaches, and waves. So that is awesome. Okay, you guys, so let me go ahead and see. This must be the jewelry product, or yeah, product. Yes, it is. Okay, so that would be this card right here. And let's see what we have. Here we go. So that is what the packaging looks like. And it says Jasmine Jewelry is a handcrafted jewelry line designed and created by Jasmine Lee. Jasmine is influenced by her island upbringing. She was raised in Maui and inspired by a love of nature, art, and music. This featured product is a free spirit sterling and brass beaded necklace with a value of $48. You can use the code CaliforniaFound20 for 20% off your order, expiring 8/31/19 at www.jazz with an S, jewelry.etsy.com. And that looks very tiny. Let's go ahead and see. So here it is out of the packaging. And let's see. Holy moly, you guys. I have a really big neck apparently, because that is way too tight for me. I did watch Little Miss Abadabs open this one yesterday, and it was like hanging low on her. So I'm envying her a little slim neck figure right about now, because this is tighter than all hell on me. So I will go ahead and set this aside for my next upcoming giveaway when I use my do my subscription box products, because this is definitely not going to fit me. So hopefully it'll fit one of you guys. So I'll go ahead and set that aside because that is definitely way too tight. Like it was like cutting off circulation tight on my neck. So that sucks, but you know, that's what happened. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get into the next item here. We have Luna Tea Company Calm the Viking Organic Herbal Blend. So there it is, and you can actually see the blend of tea, and it says chamomile, ginger, and raspberry leaf, caffeine free, perfect. Steep it for 6 to 8 minutes, serve it 1 teaspoon per water, and enjoy the organic tea and herbs. So that is awesome. I do love tea, and let's see what it smells like. Shake bag before brewing. Huh. Whoa, that looks like something you'd find in a bird's nest. That big old clump right there in the middle. I'm just being honest. I will definitely try it. Hopefully it does taste good. It has like looks like little flowers and all kinds of stuff in here, but just these pieces right here on top remind me of like inside of a bird's nest. But there is that. So that is awesome. And again, I do love tea, so I can't wait to try this out. And it is the chamomile, ginger, and raspberry leaf. And that is valued at there's an infuser in here too. All right. So that particular Calm the Viking Herbal Blend is $15. And it has a tea infuser in here as well. And it says 1 of 2 styles. So that would be this right here. We have a tea infuser. And it has a crystal on it, you guys. That is really cool. Kind of a cool fact. I don't know if it's a cool fact, but I did purchase one of these for me and my friend last month, I believe it was. And it had, not from this company, but it was a tea infuser, and it had a crystal attached to it. And I believe I got the amethyst, or I think I did the amethyst. And this one looks like it would be an amethyst as well. I'm not quite sure, but it is purple. So it looks like it would be, but that is really cool. I love having these because you just stick your loose leaf tea in this, put it in, and then you drop it in your cup, and this hangs over to hold it into place. And then you grab this to pull it out, or whichever you want to do. So that's really cool. Now I have 2 of them, and I believe the other one is purple amethyst crystal as well. So there's that. And this is $13. So here's $13, and this tea is $15 right there. And with the necklace being $48, you're already well over the price of the box already. And there still is a few items inside, you guys. This one is, and they always package everything so well. I've never had anything come broken, spilled, or anything. And I've had live plants in here. I've had glass bottles in here. I've had so many things throughout the time that I've been having this box that nothing has ever came damaged or anything like that. So now we have is a hydrating hair serum. Oh, I thought this was going to be a face serum by the looks of it. It says, I woke up this way. So there's that item right there. Let me go ahead and find this card. Here we go. So it says Belle and Beast Organics. And this says featured product, I woke up this way, hydrating hair serum, $16. Use code FOUNDLOVE for 15% off your purchase expiring 9/15/19 at belleandbeastorganics.com. And we have received this brand before, and I think that one was a face oil, and I still have it. I've been using it, and I really do enjoy that. So this right here says, once styled, distribute a few drops throughout your hair and smooth and shine. So there we go. Cool. So we can keep our little flyaways down with this. And again, I am glad I read it because I would have thought this was another face serum. So I have to put this with my hair products, not my face products. And again, that value is for $16. Okay, you guys, next we have Simply Straws stainless steel mason straw lid. Let me get this one here. We received the mason straw lid, the glass straw, and the brush set. And this is the container for it as well. So let's get this opened. Again, I did watch Abadab, so I already knew what was in this box this time. Normally, I don't really see the unboxings first, but I have to watch all of her videos. So I knew what I was getting, which is okay because anytime I have spoilers on my boxes, I always check them. I have a problem with being surprised. So in here it says, "Hey Sunshine, I'm so happy to include this made just for us jar with your July collection. Enjoy it with your Simply Straw set and your tea drinks from the Luna Tea Company. Sip, stay cool, and think of us. With so much love, Beth." And that is the owner of the California Found box. And this mason jar is the cutest thing because it's actually engraved "Hello Sunshine," and that is their little slogan. They have that on their box, and it is their same font. So that is simply adorable that it is their same font, "Hello Sunshine." That makes this even more special, that it's not just a standard mason jar. It is a mason jar that's etched with their little slogan, "Hello Sunshine." So that is awesome. So we have that. And then this is the stainless steel lid for it with a glass straw right here that even has the cleaning whoop-de-woo apparatus up in there. They are a mother and daughter duo with a passion to protect the nature. And I totally get why this is in a California box, because California does have the straw law. When I go back there, it's like so weird to me because I'm used to being able to get straws here, and then I'll go back to visit and I'm like, the first time I was like thinking this girl was rude. Like I literally thought, I'm like, okay, that was rude. Why would you just leave my drinks and then just walk away? Like, you going to get straws, but then I see you fixing, you know, like at somebody else's table. I'm like, I told my friend, I'm like, that's rude. What is she doing? She's like, oh, they can't bring straws. So I thought it was just that particular restaurant. Then the waitress did tell me that no, it is all over California now, which is good. I mean, they're protecting the environment, which is awesome, but they cannot give you a straw unless you physically ask for it, which still kind of defeats the purpose because they still give them to you if you ask for them, but at least they're not wasting. So if you don't ask, then you don't get one. So that is one less to harm the environment, which is amazing. So here is the straw cleaner. There is the long straw, and it says Simply Straws engraved right on it. So let's go ahead and get that in here. That is awesome. That is so cool. So you have your stainless steel top, which is reusable, the mason jar, which is reusable, the glass straw, which is reusable, and you have the cleaner to clean it out. That is amazing. So again, this is valued at $20 for the straw lid, the straw, and the brush set. And this little jar is what they added in addition. So that is awesome. So thank you guys for adding this extra jar for us and making this a complete set, not just giving us a lid and having to go find our own jar. So, and it's engraved with "Hello Sunshine." That is just amazing. That is just so, so cute, you guys. I really, really love that. So totaling the box value without the value of this, because there's no value to that. I don't see that on anything. I don't think so. The jewelry, the tea, the straw. Nope. So that is awesome. So I will go ahead and put the total value that is in the other items right here for you guys, so you know the total value of the box. And again, some people do say this is on the higher price range, but they only go to small businesses, small California artisans. So you're not getting like these big companies who can afford to just give out their products really, really cheap. So you're helping give back to California because they do donate some of their They do donate some of their profits to different organizations, and they change that up from time to time, and they always let you know who they're donating to for that particular month. And then you're also helping local artisans of California and small businesses. So I really, really like this. I've got some really cool rubs. I've gotten awesome candles and diffusers. I have a live plant, like I said, that came in a few months ago, and I still have that. It's doing amazing. So I just really love this box. You get a mixture of all different stuff. Plus, again, I am a California girl, so I really love that I get to bring California here to me and my home now in Florida, which is awesome. So I love that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, follow the link down below. What was my code again? Crafty get 20 will get you 20% off if you do want to check out the subscription box. And yeah, I can't wait to see what we get next month. They always put in a jewelry product. Sometimes there's like a food product. Sometimes there's paper products. There's so many different neat things that, again, that you will get in here that you never knew would have existed. And this is just so cool. I've never seen an all setup like this, which is amazing. So you guys, let me know, what was your favorite item in here? Do you think this box was worth it? Again, you're helping out small local companies, not big, huge companies. So that's a huge difference when you're looking at it as far as the price point goes. So just take that into consideration when you're thinking of prices of boxes, because all of that does actually matter. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it for you to stick around and see the videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.